Yeah, we are live. Welcome, Marcus Bodycoding Live. Footwork every day. Are you ready? As usual, you see, we do no excuses. Are you ready? Watch the move first. Kick 6. Let's go. See for yourself. That's the move. Let's do it together. Remember, no excuses. Yes, I'll switch the cameras. Wait. Yeah, let's do it together. With me. Let's go. We tap. We tap. We step. Kick. Step. Tap. Now with the right. Tap. Tap. Step. Kick. Step. Tap. Once again. 1, 2, 3. Now this is kick, ball, change. Yes, now with the right. 1, 2, 3. Kick, ball, change. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Amazing. Yeah, amazing. Cannot believe that you practice with me here on the street in Iceland. I just remind you, these are universal moves, so you can use them in salsa, hip hop, bachata, or any kind of dance that you want. I'm serious. Wait, you still here? Let's do another practice. Right now, face to face. I want to see you. So imagine yourself staring. Imagine yourself staring in a mirror. Let's go. We start with the left again. Let's go. We tap. We step, kick, step, step. Tap, tap, step, kick, step. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Amazing. Do you hear the music? Yes, this is the church. You see the church over there? Yeah, this is Iceland. So, because you stayed with me till now, which is pretty exciting, I have a bonus for you. If you want to keep practicing with me and get this move, kick 6, inside your bones, check the link above, below, to the side, to the full tutorial on YouTube. And if you're on Instagram, check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel. Yes, and search for this move, kick 6, to practice with me in the studio. Either way, I still remind you, these are universal moves, so you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Hip hop, salsa, bachata, kizomba, zumba, rumba, whatever style you want. And by the way, if you're dancing salsa, this is good on 1 and on 2, because you can start with the right or with the left. Amazing. And before I leave you, I urge you, I push you to do this move today. Yes, in today's party. Why today? Because tomorrow, there's a new footwork. New footwork every day. Focus body coding live. So, let's meet tomorrow or tomorrow. Let's meet tomorrow.